My dear classmates, this has been 3 long, hard and good years, and now it's finally over. We have all had some good times, but also bad times. We have all laughed, cried and sweat. I remember the first time I stepped into the classroom and saw all of you lovely people. That's a day that I never will forget. I especially remember our first spring break in Amagerhytten. This was a very exciting trip. This was the moment where we really learned each other to know, and also I'll never forget our study trip to Malaga. It was such a great and fun time, if it just could turn back time. The trip to Malaga is the best holiday that I ever had, only because it was with you guys. I remember when we were going out at night in the discos around our hotel. Our hotel wasn't the best. The staff was not very happy to have us in the hotel, but still, it was a good trip and the best community. Look at us now. We made it. We can finally call ourselves students, but the time is not over yet. We still got our long-awaited summer cottage, which we had looked forward to for a long time. It's going to be 7 fantastic, fun and drunk days, and we aren't going to take our hats off